What I want to try to convince you of is that there is some intelligence in these systems. Or, you might be like, no, absolutely, it's not intelligent. It doesn't even have representations, etc. So a word of caution about this type of argument that, I see a lot. So this is the type of things that you might see online, even, in newspapers. It's just copy-paste. It doesn't have internal representation. It's just statistics. It's just statistics. How could it be intelligent? It doesn't even have a word model. But still, I want to say, really, beware of the trillion-dimensional space. It's something which is very, very hard for us as human beings to grasp. There is a lot that you can do with 1 trillion parameters, okay? So when, people say it doesn't have a word model, it's not as clean-cut as that. I mean, from my perspective, we shouldn't think about those neural networks as learning, simple concepts like, Paris is the capital of France. It's doing much more like learning operators. It's learning algorithms. So inside it, it's not just retrieving information, not at all. It has built internal representation that allows it to reproduce the data that it has seen succinctly. Okay? So really, you shouldn't think about it as pattern matching and just trying to predict the next word. Yes, it was trained just to predict the next word. But what emerged out of this is a lot more. We really need to think about it as learning algorithms, and we don't really have the tools, in my opinion, in learning theory to think about this type of learning. It's something very, very different from what we're used to.